whenever I speak the English language in front of some people, in front of many people. It may be a conversation, it may be a giving a speech, it may be making a video, but whenever I start speaking in English, then I feel very hesitated. I feel very shyness and words don't come in my brain properly. Which thing I am talking about? That words and sentences that I want to share doesn't come in English at the proper time in my brain, and for that reason I also can't speak English good, can't speak English fluently in front of people. I know English, but speaking is very hard for me. This is not only your problem, it's an international problem. Every English speakers, beginners, they face this problem. I also faced this problem many times, but I know how to solve this problem. Okay, there is one enemy which behind this whole incident, and if you can fight and if you can knock out this one enemy, then the problem that why words don't come in our brain, it will go and it will never come back again. Yes, it's my promise. Okay, so now what is the enemy? The enemy is lack of practicing. Yes, you believe or not believe, you agree or not agree, but I will say again and again one thing, that practice is the key to all of the problems. Doesn't matter what is your problem, but if you practice well, good enough, in your home, in front of a mirror, in front of a person, or anywhere, but if you just speak English as a practicing, then your speaking will develop definitely. Doesn't matter how much you know English, how much you doesn't know English, but you will speak good, you will speak confidently. Okay, sometimes whenever we also do some kinds of conversation, whenever we make a video by speaking in English, it may be that whenever we also just try to give a speech in English in front of a lot of people, but sometimes words don't come in our brain properly. Okay, now I'm thinking a sentence. First, we all make sentences in our mother tongue, and then quickly after making that sentence, we just translate. We try to translate that in English, but sometimes we face a problem, and the problem is that I am thinking about a word in my mother tongue, but that same word is not coming in my brain in English. But I know that. And the reason of this problem is lack of practicing. Yes, I am not using my words that I have stored properly. A lot of my friends, they say to me that Prathib, you speak very well. How you learned English? At that time, I just only give them one answer, that I am not different. The textbook stories that you were reading, I am also reading the same. All of the words that you have in English in your brain, I also have the same. But the only difference is that I can and I am using my stock of words, my vocabulary daily in my videos. But do you? But are you using them? Absolutely not. For that reason, you can't speak English, but I can speak English. So this simple thing, which is that you have to work. You have a vehicle. It may be a car, it may be a cycle, it may be a scooty, bike. If you don't ride that vehicle, if you don't start that vehicle for a long period of time, then one day if you suddenly start it, Some vehicle will start, but some others will not start. They will show some problems because you haven't started for a long time. Okay, for that reason, maybe that some kinds of issues will come, and also it may be that the engine will stop working. So our brain is also like that. All of the words that I have in my brain in English, in any time I can use them. But the only problem is if I don't speak and if I don't practice English for a long time, then it may be that all of the words, all of the sentences will just go somewhere in the corner of my brain. But remember, never they will leave your brain. They will be always in your brain. So for that reason, and also whenever we don't practice English, it means lack of practice means lack of experiences. And whenever we will not have enough experience to speak English in front of people, okay, in front of your communicator person, at that time whenever we suddenly go in front of many people, then we also just hesitate, we shy. Okay, negative thoughts starts coming in our brain at that time. Because for this hesitation, sometimes brain also stops working. Okay, just think that in your whole life you always have practiced English in front of a mirror, but one day in an occasion someone asked you for an English speech. At that time, what you will do? Obviously you don't have any kinds of experience of speaking. So whenever you'll go on the stage, whenever you'll start speaking, after seeing a very big crowd, you will be nervous. You will be hesitated. You will not understand what to speak, what to not speak. Like you can see, this is my house, I'm in front of the camera. Some people also even can't speak English in front of the camera because it's gonna be uncomfortable for them. But it's really comfortable for me because I have experience. I make video daily. So, the work that you want to do, make it your comfort zone. Make it very comfortable. Like, also, the day after tomorrow. No, sorry. Tomorrow, I have a speech ceremony. Okay, there, my father's exhibition. And on that exhibition, I also have to speak. I have to give a speech in front of lots of people. So, tomorrow I have a speech, but the speaking, the sentence is the topic that I am talking about now. I will not share this topic on the stage. I will say different topic. But still I am practicing here. I am sharing the solution of your problem because it's my job. I also have to do it. But on the other hand, I am practicing the which words that I am saying to you. I also will use the same words on the stage. For that reason, it will be very helpful for me. So this thing I want to share. Every problem if you are facing in this spoken English journey, then just remember, everyone has a reason, and that reason is lack of practice. Just you doesn't have to focus confidency, fluency, mistakes, mind blanking, conversation. Just focus on your practice. Wake up daily, early in the morning. Just take your phone or go in front of a mirror and start speaking in English. Speak and speak. Okay. Without any reason, no topics, doesn't matter, but just speak. And it will be your best step of your whole life. Remember this. Mind blank is natural. You can't change it. Okay, but you can do one thing, which is that you have to practice with a person. Just try to understand where is your minus point. Where is your minus point? Like now, I can speak in front of a person, in front of one person, in front of two person, just conversation, discussion. But when I will go in front of 100, in front of 50, in front of 80 people, at that time I also can speak, but it's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable for me. So for that reason I am focusing on it, and I am focusing to make this uncomfortable my comfortable. Great thing doesn't come from comfort zone. Okay, just you have to notice that if you are just your mind is going black when you are doing a conversation, then do English conversation with your friend, with your family member more and more. It will grow up your experience and it will be your normal. It will be your comfort zone. Okay. In English speaking, comfort zone is also very important. Which zones are uncomfortable for you? Make them comfortable. This is your task of life. Okay. And slowly, slowly you will see that everything will be very, very nice. Okay. So few days ago, now also I have a coaching center in my house, which is under my father. So there are many people, many students, they come for to develop their spoken English. So conversation is also very important. So my father called me to do conversation with them, and there I also do conversation with them every day, and I am also developing. So you agree or not agree, but you need a partner. You have to do the conversation. Who the people say that you don't need anything, anyone for to learn English, then they're right, but a little bit wrong. You need a person, a helper, who will be always there for to do communication with you. Or if you don't have a person who knows English nearby your house, then also don't worry, because you have your phone. You have a phone, you have your smartphone. Your phone is smart, but why not you are smart? So become a little bit smarter. Take your phone, download ChatGPT, and start doing conversation with ChatGPT with AI. Okay, there is also an option of voice recording. Just click on the voice, and then ChatGPT also will start talking with you. You also start just talking with the ChatGPT. And if you want to see that how I do conversation, how I practice English with ChatGPT, then just comment me down below ChatGPT, and I will make another video showing you. So guys, it was the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye to a great bye. Nothing is little. I'll be again present after a few days with another topic of developing English and also solving your problems. To a great bye. Nothing is little. Don't forget to like and subscribe.